you are hearing this, then you are in STEM second and third period watching this extension. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, then you can stop watching. The following video is an extension of the Save Tigers Now video that goes further into the science of tigers and why they're important.
Tigers are critically important to their ecosystem in our world. As stated previously, tigers currently reside in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, India, and a small part of Manchuria. They used to reside in Central Asia, Korea, and a much larger part of China. The following diagram is a food web of a tiger's ecosystem. It also shows energy moving up from each trophic level, with the most energy at the bottom and a lot being lost as it moves up. The carrying capacity of the tiger's habitat is slowly decreasing. More on this later. There are biotic and abiotic factors in a tiger's ecosystem. Biotic factors include the plants, animals, and microbes of the tiger's ecosystem. Abiotic factors include rocks, water, and the sun. If the overall population of biotic factors decrease, then the carrying capacity for certain organisms, especially tigers, can decrease. Resources of the ecosystem are important for tigers. If there's not enough resources to support the tiger population, then a lot will die. Tigers prey on animals such as deer and water buffalo. Tigers are carnivorous and consume these animals for food and energy. If there's no deer or buffalo around, tigers will starve and die. Tigers have to compete with humans for land. Humans are slowly expanding into these rainforests. Because of human action and the destruction of tiger habitats, there's less space for animals. Because there's less animals, there's less food for tigers. This is causing a slow decline of the carrying capacity for tigers.
Although it is less of a threat, diseases can also affect tigers. They can get anemia and reproductive diseases. They can even get full-blown cancer.
The following diagram shows photosynthesis. Plants, including plants in the tiger's rainforest, go through this process to create glucose. The next diagram shows cellular respiration. Both plants and all animals, including tigers, go through cellular respiration. They take in glucose and process it to create ATP. Tigers gain glucose by eating animals. Those animals tigers eat get glucose through eating plants. The glucose travels up to the tigers, the top predator. Carbon circulates as well. Carbon is taken in by photosynthesis and released by cellular respiration. This ecosystem stability has been challenged by deforestation. Human action has destroyed parts of the rainforest for space and resources. As a result, a lot of plants have died, and a lot of animals have died because there's less space to live and less available food. This damages biodiversity because species are going extinct by these actions, reducing the number of species overall in the world. With less species around, the biosphere loses diversity. The atmosphere and hydrosphere are also affected because there will be less species in these areas if there's a collapse of biodiversity. Humans exploit tigers through tiger farms. According to the Dodo, the Asian tiger farm industry holds tigers in cages and kills them for their pelts and bones. They're held in dirty conditions and abused. This exploitation has severely hurt the tiger population and has damaged them to the point to where they are now. That's why we support Save Tigers Now, a World Wildlife Fund charity that vows to double the tiger population in the wild by 2022. We are donating funds to this charity. According to them, the wild tiger population is under 4,000. They vow to fix this. We would also suggest improving tiger reserves, places where tigers are held in a safe location to reproduce. Currently, tiger reserves are negligent and dirty. Improving these conditions of the reserves can significantly help grow the tiger population. If we work together, we can help fix the tiger plight. Save Tigers Now.